Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 7, 2025. Starting April this year, the Supreme Court will begin digital recording of proceedings in the criminal courts. Chief Justice Brian Sykes made the announcement during the swearing-in ceremony of judges for the Hillary term at King's House in St. Andrew on Monday. Justice Sykes explained that a committee has developed the rules to govern this move towards modernization and transparency in the court system.
The rules are in place, as is the work of the committee led by Honorable Mr. Justice Leighton Pusey. A lot of work went in there over the last couple of years, and so we are now there. Training is to be received through collaboration with one of our international partners, and that will include everybody: judges, the digital clerks, the transcriptionists, defense counsel, everyone, because it is going to necessitate changing practices and the way the courts operate.
The Chief Justice says the digitization of court proceedings will also bring about significant changes in court proceedings.
So the practice of court starting, witness giving evidence, come to the end of evidence, witnesses coming out, and when the witnesses are transitioning, counsel pops up, "Oh, Judge, may I mention the matter of so and so and so?" It will only take 5 or 10 minutes and it becomes 20 minutes. That will now have to come to an end, because to get the best out of digital recording, you need to have the continuous recording of the evidence.
Meanwhile, the Court of Appeal is on track to further reduce its case backlog.
What the statisticians will tell us is that when you have that performance for 3 consecutive years, then that is now confirmed as the now current standard of the court. So what has happened is that the court has steadily improved.
The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce's first business roadshow for 2025 is scheduled to take place next week. The roadshow, targeting micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, will take place on January 16 at the Twickenham Park Church of the Open Bible in St. Catherine. The event is being held under the theme Start, Innovate, Export, Grow. MSMEs across various communities will be exposed to the services of various agencies and departments within the ministry. It's aimed at equipping MSMEs with essential tools, knowledge, and connections to drive innovation, expand market reach, and stimulate business growth. Interested persons are encouraged to register online at roadshow.miic.gov.jm to secure their spot at the event. Participants will receive expert advice on starting, managing, and scaling businesses, as well as insights into innovation strategies to boost competitiveness. The Business Ministry will also provide guidance on how to export Jamaican products and services successfully, while facilitating networking opportunities with industry leaders, financial institutions, and support organizations. The roadshow is being hosted in collaboration with key partners, including the Inter-American Development Bank, the Planning Institute of Jamaica, Heart NSTA Trust, and the Development Bank of Jamaica. In other news, thousands of potential farm workers have been assessed under the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's Leave No One Behind policy. The policy, which was introduced as part of the recruitment process for the 2025 farm worker season, includes comprehensive assessments in numeracy, literacy, and psychometric testing. Portfolio Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says the policy ensures fairness within the Overseas Employment Program.
Our goal is to make sure that we're not sending back persons into the same situation. We want everyone that receives a farm work card opportunity to be able to improve in one way or the other.
Minister Charles Jr. says the initiative also provides remedial training through the Heart NSTA Trust for individuals facing challenges in numeracy and literacy. In addition, persons who are not successful after the interview process but show potential for entrepreneurship are given employment readiness training or offered the chance to receive a business grant. Minister Charles Jr. reiterated the program's aim of ensuring that persons who are selected for an interview will have access to opportunities that will help them to succeed, whether in farm work or through other avenues. And finally, the Ministry of Labour and Social Security says it will continue to push forward its I Am Able campaign for the new year. The initiative, which was officially launched in December of last year, seeks to provide opportunities for persons with disabilities and seniors. Portfolio Minister Pernell Charles Jr. says a key goal of the campaign is to increase public awareness and understanding of these groups, while also improving their living conditions and access to opportunities.
We consider persons with disability to be a priority, and we are going to make sure that for 2025 that we work hard to ensure that there is more done, improvements even on top of what has already been done.
Minister Charles Jr. was speaking at the recent handover of care packages by the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities, JCPD, at Cheshire Village in St. Andrew. JCPD Executive Director Dr. Christine Hendricks lauded government's ongoing efforts to support persons with disabilities.
We want to thank, our government, who have consistently been playing their part in ensuring that persons with disabilities live independently, their rights are promoted and protected, and you can live in dignity and respect and honor as everyone else in society.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.